In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Wix website. This is a simple process, and once you know where to click, you can upload and place images on your site in just a few moments. If you're customizing a homepage, updating a portfolio, or adding visuals to make your website more engaging, this method will help you do it quickly and smoothly. To begin, go to the top left area of your Wix editor and click on Add. This is where Wix keeps many of the items you can place onto your website, including text, images, design features, and other visual elements. After you open that menu, click on Elements. This will take you into the section where you can manage and insert different types of content onto your page. From there, look for the option that says Upload Media and click on it. This is the area where you can bring in your own image files from your computer and add them to your Wix media library. Once the upload window opens, you'll see a space where you can click to browse for a file or simply drag and drop an image directly into the upload area. If you already have the image ready on your desktop or in a folder, dragging and dropping can be the fastest option. After the file finishes uploading, it will appear in your gallery. This gallery stores the media you've uploaded, so it becomes easy to find and reuse your images later if needed. When you see your image in the gallery, click on it to select it, then choose Add to Page. As soon as you do that, the image will be inserted onto your Wix page. At that point, the image is now part of your website, and that's it. You've successfully uploaded an image and added it to your page. As a quick tip, make sure you're using an image that looks clear and fits the style of your website. A high-quality image can make your page feel much more polished and professional. Also, if the upload takes a few seconds, that's completely normal, especially with larger image files. So again, the process is simple. Go to Add, then Elements, click Upload Media, drag and drop your file, select it from the gallery, and click Add to Page. Once you do it a couple of times, it becomes very easy.